Hey guys, it's me Sheila, and today we are going to be having sushi, and I have
Kenson
and my sister Christy. We are here at this sushi place in town, and we are going to be having a couple roll. It's actually his first time having sushi, so we are going to see how he likes it. Once we have the order, then I'll show you guys what we have. Be right back. Alright guys, so the sushi is out, and right here we have Boston roll, we have cucumber, dynamite, and then we have chicken and shrimp tempura. This one, I don't remember what it is, but this is the sushis. Good.
I seem like I'm gonna be in it.
You are gonna be in it. You're gonna be in my shop.
It looks like she don't want to be in it anyway.
She wants to be in it. She knows what she wants to be in.
So I'm gonna take a little bit of wasabi,
A little bit, girl.
and then I'm gonna add it to my soy sauce. Maybe I'll take more.
These are some good chopsticks. They're not breaking. Oh, these are good. What's the point? I love them when they have the point.
Let me get some.
I'm just gonna make sure I'm in it for sure.
So did I drop something? So let me tell you the rules since you was not in here.
Should have brought the mic, bro.
Did you have it too far out?
No, it got everybody in the angle.
Okay,
So
so
we are doing this.
this is I don't know. This is shrimp. Oh my gosh. This is chicken. This is dynamite. This is cucumber. And then this is, to be honest, I don't know.
Alright, so I don't know what day it is. Don't know what day it is, but we about to try though. Got my little, you know what I'm saying? Got my little chap.
Do you even know how to use them?
Christy, stop it. Can you not? Do you break them?
Yeah, burger.
Yeah.
All right, so this is your first time. I think you should take the first bite. Did you get your soy sauce ready? Please be careful. Don't drop my camera.
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah. I don't know. You keep pushing your soda towards me. Like I don't need no space.
Hey, sorry, bro.
I'm like, how does it make me a Visco girl? I don't give a damn about the turtle.
Save the turtles. Alright, let's do this. So which one? What should I eat first?
I don't know. If you want to be safe, you could do shrimp or chicken. This is chicken. This is shrimp. Shrimp tempura. It's not bad.
Do I put it in there?
Yeah, you dip it. This is all in my way. Let me just get a cucumber since this is what's here. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
But he ate.
That's not bad.
Hey, which one he ate?
I ate that one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Is this the avocado roll? The California roll?
Pretty good.
You're supposed to put the whole damn thing in your mouth.
Right? Alright, what's next? What should I try next?
You had the shrimp. This
Yeah.
is chicken. This is cucumber. If you want to try.
I want to try the cucumber one.
It's like dark in here.
Yeah, the lighting is great. Cucumber.
And this baby over here
Yeah, that
crying.
cucumber. Let's try this.
Let's try this one.
That was good.
What's good?
Like cucumbers. Oh, it's actually good. I like it.
It was so cute. I want to try it.
It's actually good.
The chicken?
Tempura? I put too much soy sauce.
Which one? You already tried it? Let's try this one. Is it in half? What is that?
It's crab meat.
How do you feel about it?
There's something I like
The
and there's
crumb,
something in
yeah.
there that I don't like. I don't know.
Those are the crunchy flavor. I was kind of good. But it's really, it's nice so far.
I like the inside. I don't know. Maybe it's the crab I don't like.
No. I'm not good them.
Kyrie.
Oh yeah.
Let me hold it.
There's a video
This
behind.
one in half or damn. Oh yeah,
That's the whole thing.
I've been trying to. You had that one. That was the whitefish one.
Oh,
You know, my pins got dirty, bro.
I didn't have this one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I don't like.
Like get the sauce.
I don't like fake crab, yo. I like
That's
real
what.
crab.
Yeah, I don't like the crab, but I like the inside. Look at you. Look, you dropped the crab in there.
Well, I guess the crab wasn't meant to be in.
That's not fair. What are you doing?
Go ahead, you go. You go.
No, like why you have it like that?
That's good though.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I want to try this.
What is
shrimp
this?
Or whatever that is.
We didn't.
We didn't try that one yet.
That's the Boston roll.
What is that? I think I already tried that one, right? No, I don't think I did. Have I?
You like it?
Yeah. Respect the drip, Karen.
Because you know the kid rule thingy.
This one in half or damn? Oh yeah,
That's the whole thing. You know, what's the,
I've been
that
trying
one's
to-
good.
You had that one. That was the whitefish one.
Oh,
You know
that
what
one is
pins
good.
got
I
dirty,
like
bro?
it.
I
It's
didn't have this
I
one.
didn't try.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is good.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I don't like.
Like get the sauce.
I don't like fake crab, yo. I like
That's
real
what.
crab.
Yeah, I don't like the crab, but I like the inside. Look at you. Look, you dropped the crab anyways.
Okay, well, I guess the crab wasn't meant to be eaten. All right, let's
That's not fair. What are you doing?
Go ahead, you go.
No, like why you have it like that?
That's good though.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I want to try this.
What is
shrimp.
this?
Or whatever that is.
We didn't
We
try,
didn't try
that
that
one.
one yet.
That's the Boston roll.
Okay.
Did you try this one yet?
I put my
Yeah.
foot off.
That's a shrimp.
That's the shrimp.
I gotta remember when
I didn't have the
You
shrimp.
gotta
yet,
put
though.
this whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, but you could just bite off the tip.
What's wrong with you?
No, the way she said tip.
You know what I meant.
Oh god, I put too much soy sauce. I forgot like when it's like leafy, like these, you can't like dip it too deep.
This is the soy sauce we're using. Pretty bad. So far,
I need more
everything I've tried,
wasabi.
it's pretty good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me turn this around.
Everything I've tried so far is like real good, no cap.
I'm gonna put like raw wasabi on one of them.
What's the wasabi?
Right here, it's spicy.
I'm gonna try it on there because I don't know how this one is. That's too much. You think it's too much?
If you can handle it. The dynamite roll.
See, I thought he was gonna pick up the whole wasabi.
What do I look like? Wasabi
I know, it's
king.
so cute. That was corny. Who's texting me? Did it just say notification?
No, it just says no.
Kyrie. Kyrie. Hi.
They
Hi.
should add a real sausage in here.
Yeah, pretty good.
Sausage.
Yeah. Cucumber, rice, and sausage.
That's just straight cucumber, isn't it?
Cucumber and rice.
Oh, that's rice in it?
All they had to do was add a piece of sausage in there.
Okay.
To
Let
keep
me.
it trending.
I've been pushing, I've been stalling to try this.
Right.
This.
That's
It's good.
chicken.
I know, but I've just been too lazy. Yeah. Wasn't even that funny.
Isn't that what you said? Because what you said was corny as hell. It's your face reaction.
Let me just take the crab off. I don't want fake crab.
Why?
Because I want real crab. That's why I asked them.
I don't know if it's the crab that gives it that little taste.
No, it's
with
not.
the little flavor,
'Cause
but
most of my crab is right here.
I don't like this.
I don't have it.
That it's
Uh-huh.
good. Like it's just there's a taste, a little taste. I don't like that. Tell me.
This chicken?
Mm-hmm.
No, that chicken.
Wait, what? The one I took, was it chicken or?
This is like shrimp. This is like
Oh, maybe that's the shrimp you got.
Yeah, maybe that's the chicken. It look more like a chicken.
That's chicken. Those are chicken.
I literally grab one like this.
Oh, it was chicken. Maybe you got a piece of shrimp. Maybe they mixed it together.
The cucumber is pretty good though. 'Cause, you know,
Yeah, it's just missing the sausage.
it's pretty.
I just mean like for some reason the seaweed is just not going down. Like it's not mixing with the food.
The seaweed is not going down.
Like I'm chewing just straight seaweed now.
There's one thing I don't like.
I don't know how that happened to you.
That little black thing.
That's seaweed.
That's seaweed.
Yeah.
It only do that with this one. Like you have to keep chewing it, but everything else it mixed
It's
in.
not like going. The first time it went down, but the second time,
That's what's
after you mentioned it, it's just.
it just keeps happening to me.
I don't know. Yeah, you're right with this one.
Did
No,
you
well,
like-
all of them. No, okay, the very first 2 bites it didn't happen.
Oh my god, no. I don't think I could do it.
Yeah,
You guys are ridiculous.
It's good. You just I can't.
it's just good. It's not good by itself.
Oh.
Ugh. Alright. What is? Have you tried this one yet?
Yeah. That's a shrimp.
That's the shrimp.
I can't remember.
I didn't have the
You
shrimp.
gotta put this whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, but you could just bite off the tip.
What's wrong with you?
The way she said tip.
You know what I meant.
I put too much soy sauce. I forgot, like, when it's, like, leafy, like these, you can't, like, dip it too deep.
This is the soy sauce we're using. Pretty bad. So far, everything I've tried is pretty good.
You like that?
Yeah. Everything I've tried so far is like real good, no cap.
I'm gonna put, like, raw wasabi on one of them.
Where's the wasabi?
Right here, it's spicy.
I'm gonna try it on there because I don't know how this one is. That's too much. You think it's too much?
If you can handle it. The dynamite one.
See, I thought you were gonna pick up the whole wasabi.
What do I look like? Wasabi
I know, it's so
king?
cute. That was good. Who's texting me? Does it just say notification?
No, it's just a video.
Kyrie. Kyrie. Hi.
No.
Now we have to crop this one.
No. Now you gotta just cut.
The part when he's in it. So
I'm not gonna get too close because he's already ready
It's
to
only on
touch.
that one.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Oh, he in that one too?
You just brought him here.
just turn it around.
Can you even see him?
I don't know.
You just gonna have to crop that part out.
No, it's being tip right now.
Oh, be careful before you grab
I know
that.
him. That's why I'm not pulled
hold
up.
This one, I couldn't.
I don't know about that one.
I couldn't. But this one, it's like I started chewing and then it wasn't working for me.
But the
This.
flavor or like the seaweed situation?
The
Kenson was-
fish. The white fish.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling it. It was.
Yeah, I'm not feeling that one. Kissy, be careful. You wanted him, so I'm not gonna try this because y'all say you're not digging that one.
What are you talking about? We never said that.
I did.
That's one thing
You haven't tried it?
I did try it. I liked it.
You like it?
No, it's because I had too much soy sauce. Because I had to be light with the soy sauce because it's not meat.
No,
it's
it's
lettuce.
good. I just there's something about it.
Okay, Sheila, just try it.
No, I don't want to try it.
Why you being a chicken? You have to try it.
No.
What do you mean? You can't be basing
I'm
your
not-
taste off.
I'm not liking the way it's looking. It's looking
Okay,
basic.
you ate the crab one. It looks ugly. You talking about that
What
looks
is-
basic?
What you saying?
But that one, it look ugly, but it tastes good. This one just look basic. Like,
Okay, Sheila,
Kissy, watch him.
you're making no sense right now. Just eat it.
I'll eat it last. I can finish it.
Yeah, it'll be done.
Okay. What? What?
After I finish remove the stuff off it.
Maybe. Oh my gosh. This boy is too big to be doing this, John.
I know. Gai. All right.
What's your name? Kyrie.
That's my water bottle. Did you know? All right. What do? I've tried everything so far.
Can I give him a lettuce?
No.
Give him ginger.
You have some of your
Like apple juice.
She's like, oh my god.
I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done too.
You was waiting for me to say I'm done?
Yep.
Did
I've
you-
been done.
Did you? Did you like it?
I mean, it was good for my first time. I don't eat it.
Would you eat sushi again?
I will eat it, but I wouldn't like go. Oh my god, sushi!
Let me get
You know?
some sushi. Yeah. Okay. I guess.
It's gonna be one day like out of nowhere you're gonna crave it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
But
out
I'm
of,
like,
out of the blue.
like you know, like some places, some stuff you try, and then you're just like, do I want that?
Oh my god.
But it was
Yeah.
good.
Like out of the blue, then you start craving sushi. And you're like, ooh, I want some sushi.
This
Be
boy.
careful. And
First time was good, real good. Like that.
You want
then-
more?
We'll be out tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I don't know. Where we going?
Sushi.
Again?
Excuse me.
Where?
Here.
Oh no, I'm done.
No.
I'm full though. I am full.
Whew, I'm full too. I didn't eat breakfast yet, so this lunch
full?
was good. You're not full?
No.
Okay, well I'm full.
But I'm
Alright. Let me end this.
Ooh, I did my shirt.
17 minutes.
Soy sauce.
Alright guys. It's time to wrap up this video. We are done. Look at this. We had a lot of sushi, so we ate most of it. And we are going to check out Kenson.
Oh. Sushi was great. Try you should definitely try it.
He's so silly. Bye.
Chrissy, what you think?
Turn it more. It was good, I guess.
It was good. Overall, everything
She's
was
so
great.
bougie. Bye.